Excuse me? Is pop for birdies? Is pop for birdies? I don't think so, Milo. You're already so hyper. How can I give you more sugar in your diet? Hey, no, I said it's not for birdies. I said no pop for birdies. Hey, no. Why don't you listen to me? Hey, you cannot climb that. Milo, stop. Guys, I don't know what he's trying to get a taste of because there's literally nothing on top. Hey, no. I said no. Hey, you, mister. He never listens, guys. He's like having a toddler who you say no to like 20 million times and he won't listen. Hey! No. 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 It's not for you. Not for birdies. Not for bad... No, not for bad birdies. No. Give it to me. I'm gonna take it away, see what he does. No for you. Look at you. You little chupster. Go play with the empty paper. No, Milo. It's not for birdies. Go eat your apple. Eat your apple. Do you want to eat your apple? Do you want to eat your apple? No? You don't want to eat your apple? I'm not going to give you a drink or a treat. No, not for you. Hey, I said no. I said it's not for birdies. Did you not listen to me? Yeah, you go drink that. That's water. Go drink that. Bill free. Let's see if I put it on the ground. What's he gonna do? It's on the ground now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? It's right there. Milo versus the pop. Milo's your move. It's your move. Okay, now he's angry. Are you angry? Are you angry, Bubba? Yeah, you're angry that I took it away from you? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, come here. Come here, little boobs. Come here, little sweet potato. Oh, let me pet you. No? You're angry? I'm sorry. I am sorry. Peekaboo. Put it back up here. He's gonna come right away. Hey! No, I said. Yeah, eat your grapes. Good boy. No? You want all the sugar, don't you? Sugar's not good for birdies. We can't give you all the sugar. Sugary drinks are not good for you. No. Okay, bye.